In this video, we will show you how to access Windows Recovery environment on Windows 11. The Windows Recovery environment, or usually called with WRE, is features on Windows 11 that we can use to make recovery or to make the reset. Okay, to access the Windows Recovery environment, you can go to settings. This is for the first method. Just click settings. Okay, you can find settings on your search. Okay, and after that, you can select recovery and you can click restart now by clicking advanced setup. Okay, just click this option. And the number second, you can access the Windows Recovery environment by pressing Windows button plus E button on your keyboard at the same times, like this. And you will go to the system settings and back again to recovery, and you can click restart now. Let me show you. When we click restart now, it will booting into the Windows Recovery environment. Let's just click restart now. Here I'm record with my phone. Okay, then click restart now and confirm to click restart now again. And you can see after you click restart now, it's direct into the booting process. And after this booting process, you will direct into the Windows Recovery environment, or usually we call it with WRE. With this page, we can make any repair or recovery if our Windows 11 operating system is crashed. You can see there is many options. Usually we using troubleshoot, and we can using reset PC or advanced options. Okay, there is many settings that useful on Windows 11 that we can use. And thanks for watching.